Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are sharing how to clean brain easily and cooked in 15 minutes. Let's start the recipe. 4 cups of water, bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add brain. Strain and keep aside. Clean the veins. Wash with water. 1 cup oil. 1 chopped onion. 1 chopped tomato. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic and green chili paste. Add little bit water. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Stir fry for 1 minute. Add brain. Now slow down the heat and cook on low heat about 5 to 6 minutes. Add 2 green chili, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Steam, cook on low flame. Fresh coriander. Share your experience with us in the comment below. Thanks for watching.